All right, that all-party meeting is currently underway ahead of the budget session of Parliament today. The meeting has been called by Parliamentary Affairs Minister M. Venkaiah Naidu to ensure a smooth functioning of Parliament. These are the very latest images of ministers arriving for that all-party meeting. Prime Minister Narendra Modi there in those pictures, arriving as well, being received by party colleagues and MPs as they head inside Parliament House for that very crucial meeting, an all-party meeting to ensure a smooth functioning of Parliament. The government has assured the opposition that it is ready to discuss any and all issues.
Well, the opposition, however, is all prepared to corner the government over the issue of price rise and also the issue of the position of the leader of opposition. So on the first day itself, there are expected to be some rough scenes in Parliament with the opposition making sure that they corner the government on the issue of price rise, on the issue of rail fare hike, and of course that contentious issue of leader of opposition. Those are live images on your screen at this point in time of Prime Minister Narendra Modi arriving at the Parliament House for the all-party meeting, of course accompanied by senior members of the BJP, senior MPs and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu.
In a short while from now, we will get you a live report on what happens at that all-party meeting. Will it lead to some kind of a stalemate? Will there be more rough scenes inside Parliament? All of that coming up in the next 5 minutes.
कि जब इलेक्शन हो रहा था तो इलेक्शन में सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने उठाया था उस वक्त की यूपीए सरकार के बारे में इलेक्शन के दौरान वो था महंगाई, और महंगाई पर ही मेरे ख्याल में 90% वोट भारतीय जनता पार्टी को मिले, और सरकार में आते ही बीजेपी ने इतनी कमर तोड़ महंगाई दी कि शायद कभी हिंदुस्तान में नहीं देखी। आते ही पेट्रोल के, डीजल के, गैस के, रेल के दाम बढ़ाए, और सब्जी कोई रही नहीं है, दालें कोई भी रही नहीं, बची नहीं है। चावल हो, दालें हों, सब्जियां हों, फ्रूट हों, सब की कीमतें बढ़ गई।